Couple of hours before the Sunday night market opens, looking at some all strategy access optional strategies. These are not part of the portfolios, but these are strategies that I'm looking at and I'm sharing with my all strategy access subscribers. We went over the 60-minute breakout yesterday. We went over the adaptive. I've gone over the adaptive moving average last week as an optional update. None of these are part of the portfolios, but you can trade them. And then Cobra Bonds, this is an old strategy that I have. I've reworked it about a year ago, and I haven't really paid much attention to it. And here's what this strategy looks like going back to 2001. Really nice equity curve right now in bonds. It takes long and short trades, and the balance between longs and shorts is pretty nice. You actually see slightly better results on the short side, surprisingly. And so you've got a good strategy when you can capture short trades in a market that's been in a multi-year bull market. So this is the day trade version. That's $89 average trade profit before slippage and commission. So these numbers, once you add slippage and commission, these equity curves are gonna look choppier, and the average trade profit is going to be lower. The swing trade version, which simply sets the exit time to 2,500, since there is no 2,500, it holds the trades overnight. And so this is the same exact rules as the day trade version, except it holds overnight. And you can get a boost in average trade profit if you want. From 89 up to 117, your drawdown does double, but your profit goes up. And here is the equity curve. Nice results since August of 2019. And you see there's time periods in here where this equity curve is really straight. So this is a prime candidate for potential money management algorithm to improve the average trade profit. And then here's a slightly different variation. The inputs will be in it. And there's a slightly different variation of this strategy on 15-minute bars. And it's done really well since the end of 2018. And so this is a short-term approach to this setup on 15-minute bars, 211 trades. And it doesn't test, the equity curve gets choppier when you test this further back. So if you're looking for an emerging strategy, a short-term strategy, you're looking for a way to trade bonds right now, this is one approach with this $153 average trade profit, and so that's on 15-minute bars. So that is the All Strategy Access update that I'm sending out to my All Strategy Access subscribers today on Sunday afternoon, and you can trade these if you want. They're not part of the portfolio. They're all optional updates, and we will be researching them and have not added them to the portfolio calculator yet. And for that reason, I have not included them in the portfolio. So I still have to do more research on how each of these individually affects the portfolio. So sending these out, let me know if you have any questions.